In this video, a square balance will be repaired. The pulleys will be replaced. Untie the knot at the end of the string. This pulley is blown out. You can see the axle through the plastic wheel. Saber-tooth pliers are necessary to remove pin rivets. A new pulley can be installed using a pin rivet. Install the top balance guide. Clean the spring chamber. Lubricate the spring chamber. Rethread the block and tackle. Careful with the over and under pattern. Cables should go parallel. Retie the knot. Cinch the knot with pliers. Pull the block and tackle tight so the string will thread. Reattach the spring to the pin rivet. Good to go.